Hi guys, we're playing Meowdoku and this is level 57. Let's start.
Nice!
Alright, so far we have 2 cats. We need 9.
Great!
Alright.
Perfect!
Let's try there. Okay. Maybe there. No, here. Alright, we lost a fish. We have 2 more. Let's maybe try there. Alright.